Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to touch on a topic again that is very important. It has to do with one of the first skills I think people should learn. It's one of the first skills that the scouts in my scout troop would have to learn. First merit badge, that's first aid. Do you have proper first aid training? There are plenty of ways to get trained for first aid, and there are a lot of different levels of training for first aid. What you need to do is go out and get your basic first aid and then build on it. This is one of the few things I'm going to tell you need to do. Absolutely, hands down, need to do. And that is to get first aid training. Because you never can tell when that little bit of first aid training is going to save someone's life. Especially if it's the life of a loved one, you're going to be glad you had it. All right, so get trained, keep getting trained, expand your knowledge of first aid and your skill set. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything stupid where you're going to need someone with first aid training to take care of you. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Add a new skill, starting with first aid. Also, grow an indoor garden so you have fresh food that is chemical free.